All right, guys, working on the 6-pack 440 for 6-barrel 72 Roadrunner. Pulled the heads off, intake off. Looks like a fairly low mile 440. It's like very little bit of ridge there. And so, top end, I'll probably clean up the heads, clean up everything, put it back together, flip it over, check out the bottom end. So first thing, of course, these are just flat top pistons, nothing special. So clean them off, get this thing ready to button up. Stay tuned. All right, got the piston tops cleaned off. Head surface cleaned off. And actually finished one head. Pulled all the valves out, cleaned the valves, put new seals in them. See here, old seal. Hard plastic, cracks, old seals. And these heads are 452 heads. So they're like the 906, except for they have a hardened valve seats. So when I took all the valves out, they look good. Seats look good. So all I did was clean them up with a wire brush. Harbor Freight brush here. Cleaned up everything with this. And I cleaned the ports up a little bit with this grinder, die grinder. But didn't do much because this is a pretty low compression engine. One thing about motorhome engines, I measured the deck height, 150 thousandths from piston to deck. So they're quite a bit in the hole. But we'll put it back together and see what happens. Got the heads on, torqued down, valve trains in, ready to put the valley pan on. Plan is to button up the top, and then we'll turn the engine over and check out the bottom side. Then, once bottom side's done, we'll clean her up, get her repainted. Valley pan gasket is on and bolted down, and basically I like to use in this Indian head Permatex gasket and shellac. So basically you brush that on the ribs on both sides, kind of seal up the intake. The Valley pan gasket came with RTV sealant. So I used the RTV on the ends, helps, especially the corners, helps fill in, seal it up. And so I used that on the ends, and then the gasket shellac on both sides of the intake, at the intake ports. And then we'll throw the 6-pack on, bolt it down. All right, there it is. Top end done, intake's on, bolted on. Intake's bolted down.